Hello. Today we will talk about individual level. In our previous lecture, we studied the organ and organ system level. Let's talk about individual level in detail. Different organs and organ systems are organized together to form an individual level. And individual is also called organism. In organism, the functions, processes, and activities of various organs and organ systems are coordinated and form an organism or individual. For example, when a man is engaged in continuous work, like hard exercise. In this hard exercise, not only his muscles are working, but also there is an increase in the rate of respiration and heartbeat. During exercise, this increase in the rate of respiration and heartbeat supplies and more oxygen level and food to the muscles which they need for continuous work. Thank you.